We are here at Loso.
We are here at Loso. We're gonna buy this, the bubble gum, double mint. We're gonna get the red fish roll and some skill with fish cake.
Ay, tinatanggal po. Pwedeng ganyan lang?
Ay, pwede ako. Kasi takpan po natin.
Hindi po.
Hindi na lang po.
Okay na po. Thank you.
Mainit sila.
I-endorse niya! I-endorse niya! At the hot sauce. Let's try this, the fish cake.
Stay mo. Ano gusto mo yun?
Spicy.
Favorite mo yan, kuya?
Sa atin ba po ito?
Gusto mo ba?
Akala ko po. Long City po ito. Long City po.
Honey.
We're here at Makati. Try this.
This is called high shoes.
It's high toast. I can see it.
Sarap yan, kuya.
Let's try the Guyabana shake. It's so yummy. We're here in Makati.